Hello viewers, this question is of class 8th from the chapter Mensuration. Here the question is, the internal measures of a cuboidal room are 12 meter, 8 meter and 4 meter. Find the total cost of whitewashing all four walls of a room if the cost of whitewashing is rupees 5 per meter square. So what will be the cost of whitewashing if the ceiling of the room is also whitewashed? Firstly, we will understand that what we need to find out and what is given to us. So here in this question, firstly, we will mark the basic and the important information which will help us to find out the solution of this question. So here the internal measures of the cuboidal room is given to us, that is in a 3 dimensions. It will be length, breadth and height. Using these dimensions, we will find out the total cost of whitewashing of all 4 walls of a room. We will find out the cost with the help of the cost given to us in per meter square. Let's find out. Firstly, write down the given information, that is the dimensions of the cuboidal room. So write down, firstly we will write the length of the room. Here if the dimensions are given to us like this, so it will be length, breadth and height. So the length is given to us 12 meter, breadth is 8 meter, breadth of the room is 8 meter and the height is 4 meter. Height of the room is 4 meters. Now firstly we will see that here they are asking we have to find out the cost of whitewashing of all 4 walls, only the walls of a room, right? So we will apply the formula to find out the answer of 4 walls. So in this one we will find out the area of the 4 walls where we have to whitewashed. Then we will find out the total cost, right? It means that the walls are walls of the room. If we'll see that this is the, you can say that this is a cuboidal box in which the length is 12 meter, breadth is 8 meter and the height is 4 meter. So this is the wall 1, 2, 3, that the back side and the front side. So these are the 4 sides, 1 back side, 3 and 4. These are the 4 walls which we have to find out the area of the 4 walls. So area of 4 walls is 2 times L plus P into H. So I will upload one more video in which I will show you that how we can take out the area of 4 walls using this formula, right? So area of the 4 walls is this, right? Twice of L plus P into H. So now we are going to put the value, because according to the question we are finding the area of 4 walls. So 2 times of length is 12, breadth is 8 and the height is 4. Then we further solve it. Firstly we solve the bracket according to the board mass. 12 plus 8 is 20, multiply by 4. So this will be multiplied together. So 2 to the 4, 416 and this will be 160 meter square. So this is the area of the 4 walls which need to whitewashed, right? Now we'll find out the cost. We have to find out if the cost of whitewashing is rupees 5 per meter square. So let's find out the total cost. So the cost of whitewashing of 4 walls, right, per meter square, that is rupees 5. So the area of total cost of whitewashing washing. So we know that per meter square, if 1 meter square 4 walls will be equals to 160 meter square, then it would be rupees 5 into 160. So that would be, then it will be multiply 160 multiplied by 5, that will be 800, right? So this is the total cost of whitewashing of 4 walls. So these 4 walls are whitewashed. After finding the total cost of whitewashing, we need to find out what will be the total cost of whitewashing if the ceiling of the room is also whitewashed. Now ceiling is also need to be whitewashed, right? Plus area of the 4 walls. Then we'll find out the total cost of it, right? So firstly we'll find out the cost of whitewashing if ceiling of the room. So we need to find out the area of the ceiling, right? So we'll write area of ceiling of the room. That would be, so the ceiling of the room is equals to the area of the floor, right? Because the dimensions will be same. So this is the ceiling, that is the top part of the room, that is called ceiling. So it has length and breadth. If you will find out the ceiling area that need to be whitewashed like this, so that is your length and this is the breadth. So we'll have to take L into B. So L into B. So what is length? Length of the room is 12 and the breadth is 8. So length is 12 and breadth is 8. So 12 is a 96 meters square. Now we'll find out what is the cost of the area of the ceiling of the room is also, right? Because the per meter square, that is rupees 5. So what is the area of ceiling of the room if we will whitewash it? So what is the area needs to be covered in the rupees 5, that has to be multiplied by 5. So the cost of whitewashing the ceiling of the room, that is rupees 96 multiplied by 5. So it would be rupees 480. So we need to find out now we have found the cost of 4 walls plus the cost of ceiling of the room. That we need to find out what will be the total cost of the whitewashing if ceiling of the room is also whitewashed. It means they are asking to add the cost of 4 walls plus the cost of ceiling, right? So we'll find out, as we have already find out the total cost of, now we'll write whitewashing, that is rupees 4 walls was whitewashed of rupees 800 and the ceiling is of rupees 480. So 800 plus rupees 480 will be equals to 1280 rupees. So it means that this is the total cost of whitewashing the 4 walls plus area of the ceiling, right? So the total cost required is to whitewash is 1280, that means 1280 rupees. So this was the question, right? This is how we will solve it.